How are we doing, guys? So I want to do a quick video here going over how we find the volume of this cylinder. And this is a model of our disinfectant wipes right here, okay? Um, and so what we're going to do is the first thing we need to do is figure out kind of what's happening with this cylinder. So we see up here at the very top, this is the radius of our base or of this circle right here, the blue shaded area. The radius is 5, and we can see that here. Radius is 5. And then we can also see that we need to know the height of this cylinder also. And the height here is 8 inches, right here, 8 inches, all right? And we can see it up here. Our height is 8 inches. So the first thing we're going to do to find the area of our base, or the area of this circle, is we're going to multiply pi times the radius to the second power, all right? So what we're going to do, we're just going to take pi and bring it down. So we have pi, and then we're going to multiply pi times, and remember pi is just a number, it means 3.14, it's nothing special, okay? And so we have pi times the radius to the second power, where our radius is 5. So we're going to say pi times 5. Oh, sorry, guys, go back. I want to change that, keep it the same color. So 5 to the second power, right? And so then we know 5 to the second power really means 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is 25, all right? And again, we're just going to keep pi there. We'll just bring pi down, and we're just going to multiply it times 25, all right? So then it's pi times 25. So the base, the area of our base, or this circle, the shaded area up here, is 25 times pi, or we could just say 25 pi. Either way is fine, okay? And so now that we know the area of our base up here, this blue shaded area, what we need to do now is we need to multiply that base times the entire height. So going down, right, the entire cylinder. And we know that the height is 8 inches, 8 inches. So down here we see our formula for the volume, and that's everything in here, right? That would fill all this up, okay? So that's our volume. And so we know that our base already, we found it, is 25 pi. And then we also know the height already. So we're going to multiply that times our height, which our height is right here. Here's our height, 8 inches. So we're just going to say 8. So we have 8 times 25 pi. Okay, our height times our base. And so 8 times 25, 8 times 25 is 200. 200. And then also, we're still multiplying all of that times pi. We're still multiplying all that times pi. So it's 200 times pi, or just 200 pi. All right. So this is our volume. This is the volume of our cylinder, 200 pi. Thanks.